To replace the ABS sensor on a Mitsubishi, you need to locate the ABS sensor. Here is the wire. You can see the sensor there. It's held in place with a 10mm bolt, which we have already removed. Once you remove that bolt, you can pull out the sensor. Here's the sensor. You need to unclip it from here. Now all the way back here, you have a 12mm bolt right there. You need to remove. And you can see the wire goes to the engine bay, so it goes right in there. So if you come back up here, right here we have the brake line. If you come further back here, you can see right there is the wire, the ABS wire, and it connects right here. So you'll press on this tab right here. As you press on that and you hold it pressed, you pull down on the bottom part.